What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by the Sunnyland company. A good friend of mine, Lee, he sent me the 1200 Sunnyland liquid product, which we are going to see in depth and spray on a side of my lawn, since on the centerpiece of my lawn we are going to start the renovation today. As I said before, today we are going to spray on the side of my yard and also on the front the Sunnyland professional liquid product, the 1200 blend. There are a few things I like of this product. First of all, we have the maintenance rate and we have the correct severe deficiency rate. So basically, if you have a high deficiency of nitrogen and iron in your lawn, you can definitely apply at higher rate, which is 60 ounces per 1000 square feet. One of the things that you need to be aware as well of this product is that after an application you will need to water the lawn at least a quarter inch after the application. And the other beautiful thing of this product is that in total we are going to get 6% iron on the lawn. We are going to apply the product on this area only today, then on the front as well. And I have mowed my lawn yesterday a bit lower, so I have stretched my lawn. We will see how my lawn will respond after the application. I'm gonna post picture on my Instagram after a day and after a few days to see the effect. Another part of this video will be that today we are finally going to start the renovation of this area. The product that I'm gonna use will be the Roundup QuikPro. I have used this product in the past already and I had good results. Definitely this is my first time using on the full lawn for starting renovation, but the main ingredient is glyphosate at 73%. Now, one thing I like of this product that it comes in small bags, and one bag is basically good for 1 gallon of water. Read the label, read the instruction and the direction of your use if you have intention to use this product. And the reason behind is that after you apply this product, you cannot put anything down for 2 weeks, and this is one of the reasons why I'm starting today. I'm gonna leave down below links for each product if you are interested to purchase one. And without any further to do, let's do it. Right amount that we will use in the front. Welcome to the second part of this video. We are going now to put down the QuikPro. Let's start this renovation, and which I'm really looking forward to it. that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much to the Sunnyland company to send me the 1200. I'm gonna leave a link below if you guys want to purchase it. Don't forget to follow my Instagram for update. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next video. Thank you.